How to sign out of your Apple ID on an iPhone. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets iPhone tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out or sign out of your Apple ID on your iPhone. This can be useful if you want to remove your Apple ID from your iPhone so you can give it away, sell it, or maybe use a new Apple ID. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the settings on our iPhone. And then once it's open, select the first option that says Apple ID and should have your name up there. This will bring us to our Apple ID on our iPhone, and all we need to do is scroll down, keep scrolling down until you get to the bottom and it will say sign out. Go ahead and select that. Now, in order to actually sign out of our iPhone, we need to enter the password for our Apple ID. So go ahead and do that. Once you've entered your password, select turn off in the top right. Then give it a second to load. And once it comes up with this screen, it's asking us if we want to keep a backup of any of the data that we have on our iPhone. So you can keep a copy of that and it'll back this data up to iCloud. If you want any of these, just toggle them on. Then once you're ready, simply select sign out in the top right and then confirm one more time that you want to sign out by selecting sign out. It'll now copy any of that data to iCloud and begin the process of signing us out of our Apple ID on this iPhone. Once it brings you back to the settings, it should say sign into your iPhone and you have now successfully signed out of your Apple ID on your iPhone. All right, so that's how you log out of Apple ID on an iPhone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more iPhone tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.